What?
Papa,
You have to go potty?
Yeah.
Well, just eat your soup and then we'll get down, okay?
it's my soup. I want patty. Mommy, it's my soup. I want my soup.
And you gonna eat your vegetables?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
These are my potatoes, and what this, and I want this, I want this, I want this, I want my patty, I want patty, I want patty, I want this, I want patty,
Okay, just eat.
I want this, I want this,
Okay, what is that? Is that broccoli?
I want this.
Yeah? You gonna eat it?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Eat your soup. What do you say?
Tell me.
You're excused. You want Daddy to feed you your vegetables?
It's my soup.
Oh, okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat it like Daddy eats it?
No.
What's that?
I know.
You drinking your milk? You have to go potty?
Yeah.